Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on your Motorola Moto E40. So first of all, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. From here, we'll need to locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCI-M and then camera. Here's the 3 pictures, so let's select all of them, then click on this plus button after you picked all of the files that you want to pack. Now you'll be able to change any archiving options, but it's not necessary. So there's general, advanced, options and comments tabs, so pick through them and see what settings you like. And right here, most easy to change and not affecting this file is to pick a name. So let's change it to pictures. You can also use a RAR zip or RAR 4.x extension for this file, or set up the password. Now after you've set up everything, let's click on OK, and that way we'll pack our pictures that RAR. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.